Thinkdiag 2 register and activate diagnostic operation video. Open the installed Thinkdiag software. Select any diagnostic prompt to log in. Select Sign Up. Enter the account and password you need to create. Then select Next. Fill in the email you are using. Select Get and your email will receive the verification code. Fill in the verification code. Jump to the main interface. Select the Personal Center in the lower right corner. Select My Device. Select the upper right corner plus. Click Activate Device. Enter the SN serial number on the device. Enter the activation code on the password letter. Activation succeeded. Next. Let an APOS choose the first one. Diagnostic vehicle. Select VIN coding. The software updates automatically and identifies the model year.